A share boundlessness value kind of equivalent to $5.8156 a coin in an especially significant manner. The present exchanged cost range, 5.6441 5.8453 in a significant way. The earlier day close, 5.7226, especially in opposition to prevalent thinking. The change really was plus 0.0930, plus 1.63%. Extremely in spite of prevalent thinking. Opposite rates, United States dollars to axes in an unpretentious way. A share vastness value expectation for, in the not so distant future, and month axis boundlessness cost forecast on Monday, August 7, cost $5.66, really greatest 6.06, least 5.26, or so they explicitly thought. A share vastness estimate on Tuesday, August 8, cost $5.53. Especially most extreme 5.92, by and large least 5.14, which really is genuinely critical. A share endlessness cost expectation on Wednesday, August 9, cost $5.38, by and large greatest 5.76, in every way that really matters, least 5.00, so the earlier day close, 5.7226, for the most part in opposition to mainstream thinking. A share vastness gauge on Thursday, August 10, cost $5.45 in every practical sense, most extreme 5.83, essentially least 5.07, which all things considered, is very critical. A share endlessness cost expectation on Friday, August 11, cost $5.36, lovely greatest 5.74, truly least 4.98 in a fundamentally large way. A share limitlessness value expectation 2023, 2024, 2027. In multi-week a share limitlessness figure on Monday, August 14, cost $5.26, genuinely most extreme 5.63, really least 4.89 in a genuinely enormous way. A share limitlessness cost forecast on Tuesday, August 15, cost $5.35, greatest 5.72, fundamentally least 4.98. A share limitlessness gauge on Wednesday, August 16, cost $5.41, lovely greatest 5.79, genuinely least 5.03 in an all things considered enormous way. A share vastness cost forecast on Thursday, August 17, cost $5.38, beautiful greatest 5.76, by and large least 5.00, or so they really thought. A share limitlessness figure on Friday, August 18, cost $5.42, lovely greatest 5.80, certainly least 5.04, which generally is very critical. In about 14 days a share boundlessness cost expectation on Monday, August 21, cost $5.32, for the most part greatest 5.69, by and large least 4.95 in an essentially enormous manner. A share endlessness conjecture on Tuesday, August 22, cost $5.04, for the most part greatest 5.39, least 4.69 in a kind of significant way. A share endlessness cost expectation on Wednesday, August 23, cost $5.13, for the most part greatest 5.49, truly least 4.77 in a truly significant way. A share endlessness gauge on Thursday, August 24, cost $5.04, genuinely greatest 5.39, essentially least 4.69. A share endlessness cost expectation on Friday, August 25, cost $5.04, in every way that really matters, greatest 5.39, least 4.69. In 3 weeks a share vastness figure on Monday, August 28, cost $5.11, especially greatest 5.47, all things considered, least 4.75. A share limitlessness cost expectation on Tuesday, August 29, cost $5.19, genuinely most extreme 5.55, exceptionally least 4.83 in an unobtrusive way. A share limitlessness figure on Wednesday, August 30, cost $5.16, especially greatest 5.52, fundamentally least 4.80 in an exceptionally large way. A share boundlessness cost expectation on Thursday, August 31, cost $5.28, extremely greatest 5.65, lovely least 4.91 in an unobtrusive way. A share boundlessness estimate on Friday, September 1, cost $5.16 in every practical sense, greatest 5.52 in every practical sense, least 4.80, showing that in multi-week a share endlessness gauge on Monday, August 14, cost $5.26, kind of most extreme 5.63, especially least 4.89 in an exceptionally significant way. In about a month a share endlessness cost forecast on Monday, September 4, cost $5.11, exceptionally greatest 5.47, fundamentally least 4.75 in an unpretentious way. A share boundlessness figure on Tuesday, September 5, cost $4.89, truly greatest 5.23, for the most part least 4.55, which really is very huge. United States dollars to Axis today. United States dollars to Axis conversion standard in every way that really matters, equivalent to 0.1720 coins per $1, which is genuinely critical. Today's reach, 0.1711 0.1772 in an unobtrusive way. The past day's nearby, 0.1747, or so they thought. Change for now 0.0027, 1.55%. Or so they explicitly thought. United States dollars to Axis cost estimate for, in the not-so-distant future and month. Dollar to a share vastness conjecture on Monday, August 7, cost 0.177 coins, sort of most extreme 0.190, least 0.165, or so they by and large thought. United States dollars to Axis expectation on Tuesday, August 8, cost 0.181 coins, genuinely most extreme 0.195, really least 0.169, kind of in opposition to mainstream thinking. Dollar to a share boundlessness conjecture on Wednesday, August 9, cost 0.186 coins, truly greatest 0.200, truly least 0.174, genuinely in opposition to prevalent thinking. United States dollars to Axis forecast on Thursday, August 10, cost 0.183 coins, especially most extreme 0.197, kind of least 0.172 in an unpretentious way. Dollar to a share vastness figure on Friday, August 11, cost 0.187 coins, genuinely greatest 0.201, least 0.174 in a kind of huge way. In multi-week United States dollars to Axis expectation on Monday, August 14, cost 0.190 coins, genuinely most extreme 0.204, truly least 0.178, which certainly is genuinely critical. Dollar to a share vastness conjecture on Tuesday, August 15, cost 0.187 coins, most extreme 0.201 in every practical sense, least 0.175 in a genuinely significant way. United States dollars to Axis expectation on Wednesday, August 16, cost 0.185 coins, especially most extreme 0.199 in every practical sense, least 0.173, which really is very critical. Dollar to a share endlessness estimate on Thursday, August 17.